Breaking news! I'm Bigfoot, your local cryptid correspondent, bringing you the freshest forest-fried ransomware chaos. Let's roast some corporate servers. CMY Fiduciary. More like See My Files. Hackers just liquidated their digital assets. Chamberlain Huckeriede. More like Chamberlain HACK-Reed. Lockbit's doing post-mortem IT support now.
Delia's tamales. Spicy flavor, spicier data breach, served with a side of ransomware.
eFunda? They calculate everything, except how to stop BQT lock from solving their firewall. First Presbyterian Church of Atlanta. The sermon's been interrupted by the gospel of ransomware. Fort Smith Schools just failed Cybersecurity 101. Somebody turned homework into ransomware. Grayscale Investments? Turns out grayscale is the color of their backups. Gone. Great Lakes Carpet and Tile? Floors aren't the only thing getting ripped up. Servers, too. IEEE APSCON. Guess the Wi-Fi went from 5G to oh no G. Hackers took the mic. I promote you. Their promo today? A free site of encryption with every order. Link. More like leak. Those organizers just got reorganized by ransomware. MailChimp? Inbox 0 achieved. Everest unsubscribed, everyone, permanently.
PK Contracting. Their data lanes just got diverted straight into Lockbit's pothole.
Quartus Engineering? They built innovation. Too bad they forgot Cyber Defense 101. Radford Schools. Midterms canceled. Ransomware gave the whole district a sick day. Thern. Someone rewired their systems straight into the ransomware jungle. USA military alumni. Looks like BQT Lock just breached basic security training. WC Development? Building homes is easy. Securing servers? Not so much. West Virginia Primary Care Association? Looks like Ink Ransom made a house call, and this one came with a copay in Bitcoin.
Another victim, another log on the ransomware fire. Stay encrypted, stay weird. Like and subscribe for daily news.